to the... Wait, what?
I said it's loud.
You can hear it?
Yeah.
I got you, bro. I gotta get free, bro.
Nice. What?
Those are the exact same ones that I have on my 370. Oh, and if you guys don't know what he's talking about, that it's loud, we, on the last video for the Project 300ZX, we installed blow-off valves, and it sounds insane, so go watch that. He's doing work to his Nismo. So you clean the filters and then the engine bay.
Yeah. Gave it a wipe down.
And he also had to call me out because he actually has like the Z-Speed understrut, which is like actual like aluminum, and it's like super high quality. And as you guys know, my 370 does not have an understrut currently because mine's split in half, so I gotta get one. So for today's project on the twin turbo 300ZX, we're gonna be installing the world's first color changing LEDs. Cool. So shout out to our friends over at Bosla. I'm not sure how you say it, but I'm gonna have a link in the description where you guys can also get this. It should be pretty easy, honestly. Probably plug and play, but dude, they look so nice. Look at this. And usually LEDs have like a huge like fan in the back. These ones like built in right there. Remove glass. Don't forget. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out. These were the high beams, I believe. I'm gonna put on the screen right now. I think these are 9005. That's like the code or why you would like identify each light bulb. I don't know how you say it. Oh yeah. Yep, I was right. 9005. Okay. This is what they look like now, and we also just want to see the high beams. They light up. Now they're yellow. They're gonna look white, clear, and we're actually gonna be able to see. Because if you have like a car that's like 20 plus years old, the light bulbs, you know that they're just horrific. All right, so you just took out the high beam, correct?
Yeah, that's that one down there.
Yep. So that's the high beam. We already figured it out. We were kind of confused in the beginning. Those don't look bad, bro. Being like 20 plus. Yeah. No, this goes.
It's gonna be a straight plug and play.
This goes here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be a straight plug and play. Look.
Yo, that's so sick.
Look there. We gotta figure out which one's the negative and the positive.
Oh. What do you think?
Exactly the same.
Do we take a guess?
Oh, there we go.
Okay. So the left one's. Yeah.
So the white would be the
Yeah. Negative, positive.
perfect.
So the positive is on. No, the other way. The other
Yeah.
way. Yep, that way. It's right in there.
Okay. There's a pin. You see it?
Yeah, there's a little pin. We're gonna be able to be looking good at night. We're gonna be shining. Is it working?
Nope.
Great.
It's on the outside one. It's not on the inside.
Oh, I probably left it on.
Oh, look, that's bright.
Yo, that's so bright.
That is so bright.
That's a fan?
Ooh. Gotta get it to click.
Took these. I love that the ballast or whatever you call this. It's not huge. Like I've seen others, bro.
Oh, I know. They're like this big.
Yeah, so
They're
that's
like literally
awesome.
boxes.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah. Look, you can see the little. LED
Oh yeah, I can see the little
Cool.
LED.
Compared to this one, yeah. From right here, you can see just a little bulb.
Dude, that bulb is so 1990s. Bro, that's so cool. Okay, try like touching something and see if you can change the lights.
It's supposed to like gas or brake or.
No, I think you gotta just play with like the levers. Oh yeah, they're changing. Oh, that's so cool. Do it again. No, go back. Do the thing again. No.
No, they're off. Oh, it's yellow. Now okay, you gotta double click it, don't you? Now it's white.
So basically what I was doing for the color changing, I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but this is how it was working. Basically, this has to be all the way up, and then what I was doing, literally, I was pressing it back twice, and then I was going forward. And then that turned it yellow, I pressed it back twice, then I went forward, and it turned white.
Getting to it's still gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh, it's
Bro, are we gonna get this?
Oh, okay.
Dude, you got a car part coming? Are those the injectors?
Yo, maybe.
Alright, so what I did with my little finger, I went from the back, I pushed in the tab, and then from the sides with a flathead, I kind of pushed it in. You can literally see it through here. Right there, just hammer it down, but now we actually gotta twist it and take out the old bulb. Oh, you got it. I didn't even see that. Yeah. Old number 2, new number 2.
That is in.
Alright, so what we did to make it fit, we clamped this little, I don't know what you would call this, and then this black cable down here.
Well, the zip tie, we had to cut it in order to separate.
Oh yeah, we also had to cut the zip tie right here, which we're gonna get another one. And then this black cable down here, which is what's like basically getting in the way. We pushed it all the way down and then we put it in and then we Gucci. You guys remember like 20 minutes ago they were yellow and ugly? Now they're clear. Okay, change the color. Remember, you gotta put the lever back twice and then put it forward. Back to the white. Now they look white. See, this is how it should be. White 6500, we got yellow 4300, and then yellow 3K.
And then your warning flash.
And then the warning. That's so sick. Yeah, you can hear them sucking in air. That almost didn't turn on. I haven't driven this car in a bit. A good amount of time happened. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. And I'm also gonna give Miguel a ride. Oh my gosh. You guys just saw, like, I'm over here and the lights are over there and look how much it just lit up. I'm gonna switch the lights real quick. So we go 2. Now it should turn into complete yellow. Oh, and now it's the blinkers. It also has blinkers in yellow. That's so funny. Alright, we're not done yet. It's raining tomorrow and we don't have a bumper on and my filter's just out, so we're gonna cover the car. And if you're wondering why I'm still not running a bumper when it's right over there. Yo, like if you really think about it, bumpers are kind of lame. Like they're so 2019. It's 2020, baby. No bumper gang. All right, so day 2 of this vlog, we're gonna play a quick game. Oh, my camera's about to die. Ooh, and yes, a little update on yesterday. It did rain a bunch, like it was crazy. And today's game is get rid of the Christmas tree dashboard. All right, so first thing we're gonna fix the service engine. I just found a random dollar. Today's my lucky day. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. I haven't done this in so long, can't even find it. Yo, what's good? Where are you? There we go, got it. Alright, read codes. For the second part, which is basically put air in the tire, I'm gonna be using this thing. I've had it for like a good month, and honestly, this is the most like usable thing ever. I couldn't think of a bigger word. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is just so practical, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it real quick because I absolutely love this thing. Like I've used it on my car, my dad's car, the 300, and my mom's car. So they basically sent you out this thing like this, and it comes in like a little bag so you can use it as well. And then you basically have to put it inside the cigarette lighter. So basically you unroll this like that. This what's gonna go into your tire. There we go, just like that. And this is the cable. The extension's very long, like literally I could go around the whole minivan, and yeah, it was just great. So this front one's actually at 29, so we wanted 32, so then you just go like this. And yes, I'm gonna be hooking you guys up. You can actually get this device for 25% off your purchase. Link down below. Get it, guys. Like this is a car guy. Like you should have this, to be honest. It's come in clutch so many times. I know a lot of you are gonna get good use out of it. So link below, 25% off. Enjoy. Also, as you guys know, big news for the 370Z. We're finally tuning the 370Z. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little, trying to see where I can put it. Now I would do it at the 370, but it's not really like a project car where the paint is bad and you can just put tape on it. But I'm gonna make a checklist of everything I need to do before tuning day, and I think I'm gonna make like a cool series every day leading up to the tuning day, which is gonna be absolutely insane. Like I hope you guys are excited because this is gonna be pretty awesome. I mean, I don't want to overhype it, but I mean, we've all been waiting for it, and yes, it's finally happening. Yes, that's supposed to be flames. Don't call me out. It looks like flames. I know it does. Most important things first, we gotta change out the oil. If you guys know which oil I should go for, let me know in the comments below. I usually use 5W30 of Mobile 1, but if you think I should use anything different, let me know. Then we gotta do spark plugs. This is the list for now. If you guys have anything else, I know there's like a good amount of like little details that I definitely should do, but if you have anything else, let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed the LED bulbs for the 300. Absolutely insane. And yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are excited for tuning day. Like I said, it's gonna come like towards the end of this month, but yeah, expect that coming soon. Check out the 300ZX playlist. It's absolutely amazing. I love working on this car and what we've been able to accomplish so far. So yeah, peace out, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please smash that thumbs up. Helps out the channel so much. Share with your friends. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.